Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a credit card processing device with First Data, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your First Data credit card processing device. Make sure you have all components, including the device, power adapter, and any necessary cables. Find a suitable location for the device, ensuring it is close to a power outlet and your internet connection. Plug the power adapter into the device and then into a wall outlet. Connect the device to your internet source, either through an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, depending on your model. If using Ethernet, plug one end of the cable into the device and the other into your router. For Wi-Fi, access the device settings using the on-screen menu. Select your network from the list and enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. Next, turn on the device by pressing the designated power button. Wait for the device to boot up completely, which may take a minute or two. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the date, time, and other regional settings as needed. Once configured, the device may prompt you to test the internet connection. Proceed with the test to ensure that the device is properly connected. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. Now it's time to connect the device to your First Data merchant account. Refer to the setup guide provided by First Data for specific account details required. Input your merchant ID and any other necessary information is prompted by the device. After entering the information, select Submit to send the data for verification. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. Now, you can perform a trial transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Select a small amount for the transaction and use a test card if available. Observe the device as it processes the transaction and displays the results. Once complete, you should see a success message if the transaction went through. If you encounter any issues during setup, refer to the troubleshooting section of the First Data manual. You may also want to contact First Data customer support for further assistance if needed. With the device successfully installed, you can now begin processing payments. Keep the manual handy for any additional features or troubleshooting tips. Regularly check for firmware updates to ensure your device works smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.